Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Azure DevOps boards for sprint planning, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Azure DevOps boards for sprint planning, start by logging into your Azure DevOps account. Navigate to your project dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click on Boards. Select Sprints from the drop-down list. Click on the New Sprint button to create a new sprint. Define your sprint's name and set the start and end dates. Assign the sprint to a specific team if necessary. Save your changes to create the sprint. Next, go back to the Boards section. Click on Backlogs to review your work items. Ensure you have user stories, tasks, or bugs ready for the sprint. Drag and drop items from the backlog to your newly created sprint. Review each work item's details and make sure they are well defined. Assign team members to the tasks as applicable. Estimate the effort required for each work item using story points or hours. Now, head back to the Sprints view to visualize the sprint board. Use the board to track progress by moving items across different columns. You can customize the columns based on your workflow. Hold a sprint planning meeting with your team to discuss the items. Ensure all team members understand their responsibilities for the sprint. Monitor progress daily through the sprint board. Adjust workload or priorities as necessary during the sprint. At the end of the sprint, hold a sprint review to assess outcomes. Take note of any items that were not completed and plan for them in the next sprint. This process will help keep your team organized and focused during each sprint. By following these steps, you can effectively enable Azure DevOps boards for sprint planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.